Good evening, fellow students. My name is Marcus Anderson, and I'm a new student to the University of Alaska Fairbanks. It is my goal to graduate with a degree in biology. I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. I was born and raised in a small town, Speedwell, Tennessee. My parents are both educators. I graduated high school in 1998 and then attended East Tennessee State University studying biology and microbiology there. While at the university, I met my future wife, Misty. In 2003, we were married. Shortly thereafter, Misty finished college in nursing and accepted a job in Knoxville, Tennessee. Though I still had courses to complete to finish my degree, I left college to follow and support my wife. In Knoxville, I took a job in phlebotomy, but soon transferred to the pathology department. A few years later, I became the laboratory manager at Pathology Laboratories West. While working in Knoxville, I also stayed busy being the pastor of a small country church. While the congregation was small, they were very kind people, and I credit my time with them in helping me overcome the fear of public speaking. In January of 2021, I was offered and accepted a position at a large pathology group in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Thankfully, my wife was able to easily relocate with me as she is a psychiatric nurse practitioner working via telehealth from home. No family is complete without a pet, so we brought along our family dog, Belle. Energized by my new venture and the fresh air of the Great Lakes area, I became interested again in pursuing my degree. I'm excited about what furthering my education and giving myself more opportunities in the field of pathology in the future can bring. I've always been a history buff, touring museums and battlefields and historical sites. While I realize the importance of preserving history, I know that the process is not without pitfalls. While researchers in the past may not have been mindful of the implications an outsider may have on the group being studied, it seems that more attention is now being made to ensure the anthropologist is collaborating with the people. Instead of crossing boundaries and disrespecting artifacts, anthropologists can now interact with the people and allow them to retain their autonomy. In doing so, the culture feels validated rather than violated. With a focus on equality, respect is maintained and the relationship between indigenous people and the researcher is strengthened. Well, that's a little bit about me, and I will look forward to learning a little bit more about each and every one of you, and I look forward to many fruitful discussions and learning more and more about the native culture of the people of Alaska. Thanks for listening. Have a good night.